Yo, what's happening, guys? Coming at you from the Las Vegas warehouse here in Las Vegas warehouse? Down for sound. We're going to be going over another frequently asked question. I have it on my phone right here, so I'm going to read it off to you. But before that, my name is Jonathan Price, owner and operator of downforsoundshop.com and this YouTube channel, which is two of the fastest growing things in car audio. If you will, hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you know every time we drop a video, and you'll get it sent to your inbox and you'll be able to check it out first. All right, so let's get into this video. I have a pair of 10-inch subwoofers installed into my car, and my buddy just gave me a different 12-inch subwoofer. Can I have them all hooked up at once for even more bass? So you're asking about mixing subwoofer sizes. So I get this a lot. People are wanting to mix different size subwoofers. Whether it's whatever size it ends up being is totally up to you, and I personally would not recommend it, but at the end of the day, it's whatever makes you happy. If you want to mix 10 different sizes of subs, more power to you. It's your system, it's your car, you can do it. But if you're asking for JP's recommendation, I would not recommend it, because say you have a 10-inch subwoofer like we have right here, Sundown U Series 10, nice beastie subwoofer, and then right beside it we have the 12-inch sub. While it still has the same size motor, everything else about it is different. From the cone, everything else, you can tell it's a lot bigger subwoofer. It's going to play a different frequency better, and it's going to have totally different parameters in between the two different subwoofers. So that's going to make it play differently. And most of the time, a subwoofer, say if you have it tuned at 35 hertz for each subwoofer, they're still going to play a little bit different, even on the same power, because it's a totally different size subwoofer. So a lot of times it'll play a different frequency a little bit, so it'll look like the subwoofers are playing out of phase, or there could be some other things that it'll do. But to keep it short and simple, to not ramble on a lot, I would not recommend it. If you're asking for my recommendation, don't mix subwoofer sizes. You would be better off selling the subwoofer that they gave you and just adding another of the subwoofers you already have. So instead of having two 10s and one 12, just sell the 112 and buy another 10 like you have. But if you don't want to do that, if you want to try it, you're more than welcome to try it, obviously. So you can give it a try, see if you like it, or if it sounds like garbage, then you know why. Appreciate you joining me in another video, and we will see you in the next one. Later. Yo, what's up, guys? If you want to see more of the hot content that you just saw in that video, be sure to follow me on all my social media channels, from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. The Life of Price is my handle on there. Also have Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat is JPD4S. Check out all the hot content on there as well.